Hi there! This video will teach you how to use our online textbook in math. First step, go to Clever. Second step, look for the Big Ideas icon. And this is how it looks like. This is the Big Ideas icon. Remember, once you find it, add it to your favorites. Now, if you can't find the Big Ideas icon, it's always best to go to the search bar of our Clever dashboard. So once you're there, type in Big Ideas. So if you see it, you click on the icon and it should sign you in automatically. If it doesn't, just go back to Clever and click the icon again. If it doesn't work, then once on the sign-in page, you sign in using your Clever information, which is your PGCPS credentials. So once you're in your Big Ideas dashboard, this is what you'll find. On the left side of your screen, you'll probably find a textbook photo. For 6th graders, it's colored green. For 7th graders, it's colored red. And for 8th graders, it's going to be a blue textbook. Once you see the textbook, click continue, or other word that has a link to it. So once you click continue, or probably accept, you'll see this menu. You will see the dynamic classroom, your resources, the math tools, and other options you have on the student dashboard. You'll also see the in-progress assignments. So this is where your teacher will give you your online assignments where you need to complete. Or it might be under the in-progress assignments might be under your screen as well. So just try to look for it. So once you're in your dashboard, you click on Dynamic Classroom. This is where your online textbook will be. So once you clicked it, you will see this page or whatever page that is. Now, right now, it brought me to chapter 6. This is a 6th grade textbook, by the way. So if I want to go to the table of contents, what I need to do is just click on menu. Click it. Now it shows me chapter 6 and everything under chapter 6, which is called the sub-chapters. So sub-chapter 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, 6.4, and so on and so forth. Now, if I want to go to the main table of contents that shows all the chapters, I just click this back arrow located just on the title of chapter 6. I click that, and this should give me all the chapters of my textbook. So in here, you'll see chapter 1 all the way through chapter 10 or chapter 12 for some textbooks. So this is the main table of contents. Now, your teacher might tell you to go to chapter 8.1. So if your teacher tells you to go to chapter 8.1, that means you need to go to chapter 8, clicked on it, and then in chapter 8, you will see the sub-chapters. So chapter 8.1, 8.2, 8.3. Since your teacher told you to go to chapter 8.1, now remember, this is just an example, 8.1, you click on 8.1, and it will show you all the activities under 8.1. It has the warm-up, the exploration, the lesson, and the practice. Let me close that. And the practice and exercise problems. So these will be the lessons or the activities under the subchapter 8.1. Now, sometimes your teacher will tell you, I need you to go to the lesson key idea on integers on chapter 8.1. So you already know that's chapter 8.1, and under 8.1 would be the key idea integers. So always make sure that you read the lessons or the titles of these activities. So if you click that, you would see this page. This is similar to your textbook. If you have a hard bound textbook, then it's similar. Now, if you want to see a bigger screen, you can always click X on top of the word menu. This X will collapse the table of contents. So with that, you will see all the information that you need to see. And you'll also have my notes, you have tools, and other stuff that you might need in class. Now, the vocab words or other words in here might be hyperlinked. So if you clicked it, it might bring you to other pages, which is a good practice. So the negative numbers, it gives you the vocabulary word, which is very helpful. Now, if your teacher tells you, okay, we are done with this key idea, let's move on to examples. So for you to find the examples of the example activity on 8.1, you click the menu again. Once you clicked it, then you know you're under 8.1, so you scroll down and look for example. So example 1. So ask your teacher if you're not sure, is it example 1 or example 2? Your teacher will be very specific to give you instructions. Now, if your teacher will tell you, okay, on your own, I need you to try it number 5 through 8. If you click this and you collapse the menu, you would see that you can click start. In here, you will see options. So you would see the idea icon, which gives you a hint. This is to check your work. And this icon is when you're having trouble, you can click on it and it will give you a hyperlink video where you can watch to help you navigate the question. So it's very useful. Now, these are the problems that you're going to do, 5, 6, 7, 8. At the end, it will show you how would you rate your understanding. Now, how would the teacher know that you're doing it? The teacher would know because on the teacher's page, we have what we call a formative check. So if I click this, this shows me all the students who did the work and who did not do the work. So I can show the students and this gives me the score, who got it right, who got it wrong. Now remember, these will be graded by your teacher because the book automatically grades it. So make sure you do it. So now once you're done, the teacher might assign you homework. If your teacher assigns you homework, you can just exit this page by clicking on the big ideas home button or icon. So once you're there, you're back to your dashboard. If you have any assignments, it might be in the in progress assignments on this side or on the bottom side if your screen is small. So hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, please make sure to ask your teacher or write a comment below where this video is posted.